Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In this video we will learn about hardware and software, input and output device, classification of a computer according to work and architecture, differences between RAM and ROM, unit of a computer memory measurement and the types of a printer. So let's start. First, what is hardware? So all the physical part of a computer are known as hardware. Examples: keyboard, mouse, printer and scanner. Second, software. All the virtual part of a computer are known as software. Example: MS Office, Windows, DOS. Important note: all the hardware can be seen or touched, while all the software can be seen only. Third, input device. All the devices that are used to feed data into the computer are known as input device. Example: keyboard, mouse. BCR means barcode reader. MICR means magnetic ink character recognition. OCR means optical character reader. And light pen are the example of input device. Now output device. All the devices that are used to get data from the computer. Example: monitor, plotter, printer. Now we will discuss according to work. We can categorize the computer into three parts. First one is analog computer, second one is digital computer, and the third one is hybrid computer. So what are the difference of this computer? Analog computer, all those computers that measure any physical quantity are called analog computer. Example: speedometer. Digital computer, all the computers that perform any operation in binary digit bit are called digital computer. Example: laptop and desktop. Now the third one is hybrid computer. Combination of both analog and digital computer are called hybrid computer. Example: robots. We can categorize computer according to architecture. There are four types. There are basically four types of a computer according to architecture. First one is microcomputer, second one is mini computer, third one is mainframe computer, and the fourth one is supercomputer. Now we will discuss some differences between this computer. So microcomputer, there are two types of a microcomputer: personal computer and workstation. Mini computer, these computers are capable to deal with hundred of people. Mainframe computer, these computers are capable to deal with thousands of people. And a supercomputer, you all know these computers have very high performance. Now, what is personal computer and workstation? So the personal computers are the computer with low hardware configuration are personal computer. Example: microprocessor, P4 dual core, RAM 1 GB or a 2 GB, hard disk drive 160 GB to 500 GB. And the second one is workstation, the computer with high hardware configuration are workstation. Example: microprocessor i3, i5 and i7 in RAM 4 GB or 8 GB, hard disk drive 1 terabyte to 3 terabyte. Now we will discuss about differences between RAM and ROM. We all know RAM stands for random access memory, ROM stands for read only memory. RAM is a kind of volatile memory while ROM is a kind of non-volatile memory. In RAM we can read and write the data, but ROM we can read the data only. It is a type of a temporary memory. In ROM it is a type of a permanent memory. Types of RAM are: SRAM means static random access memory, DRAM means dynamic random access memory, SDRAM means synchronous dynamic random access memory, and the last DDR-RAM means double data rate random access memory. Types of a ROM are: PROM means programmable read-only memory, EPROM means erasable programmable read-only memory, and the last EEPROM means electrically erasable programmable read-only memory. Now we will talk about unit of a computer memory measurement. So 1 bit is equal to binary digit, 4 bit is equal to 1 nibble, and 8 bits is equal to 1 byte. Note: bit is the smallest memory and 0 byte is the highest memory, and a bit is generated by flip-flop circuit. If we talk about classification of a printer, So there are basically two types of printer: impact printer, non-impact printer. Impact printer is also divided into two parts: daisy wheel, dot matrix. Non-impact printer is divided into three parts: inkjet, thermal, laser. Now let's see the quick revisions are. Give any two example of hardware and software. So mouse, keyboard are the example of hardware. MS Office, Windows are the example of a software. Give one example of input and output device. So scanner are the example of input device and printer are the example of output device. RAM is what? Volatile or non-volatile, and why? So we all know RAM, random access memory, is a volatile memory because the data will delete when the electricity is not available, or in other words we can say the data is stored in temporary manner. 1 byte is equal to how many bits? So 1 byte is equal to 8 bits. Laser is an example of impact printer or non-impact printer. So laser is an example of a non-impact printer. Name the two types of a microcomputer. So personal computer and workstation are the two types of a microcomputer. What is the full form of EPROM? Erasable Programmable Read-Only Memory. Thank you all for watching this video. If you like this video, then be share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you all.